How can I enable monetization on my YouTube channel? To enable monetization on your YouTube channel, follow these steps. Reach the YouTube Partner Program requirements. To qualify for monetization, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Ensure your content adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Enable two-step verification. Strengthen your account security by enabling two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection and is a mandatory step in the monetization process. Sign up for Google AdSense. Link your YouTube account to a Google AdSense account. AdSense is Google's advertising program that allows you to display ads on your videos. It's essential for earning revenue from your content. What types of videos are eligible for monetization? Not all content is eligible for monetization. To ensure your videos meet YouTube's criteria, consider the following: original and advertiser-friendly content. Create original content that adheres to YouTube's policies and is suitable for advertisers. Content that includes violence, explicit language, or harmful activities may be ineligible for monetization. Avoid copyright issues. Steer clear of using copyrighted material without proper permission. Ensure your content is either your original creation or falls within the bounds of fair use. Review YouTube's monetization policies. Familiarize yourself with YouTube-specific policies regarding monetization. This includes guidelines on content that is eligible for ads and the use of third-party content. Can I monetize my YouTube channel without AdSense? Monetizing your YouTube channel without AdSense is not possible. AdSense is the primary platform through which YouTube channels earn revenue by displaying ads. Here's what you need to know. Linking AdSense is mandatory. YouTube requires you to link your channel to an AdSense account to enable monetization. This is a straightforward process during the monetization setup. Ad revenue and payments. AdSense not only facilitates the display of ads but also manages your earnings. You receive payments through AdSense, making it an integral part of the monetization process. AdSense account compliance. Ensure your AdSense account complies with Google's policies. Violations or issues with your AdSense account can affect your ability to monetize on YouTube. How much money can I make from monetizing my YouTube channel? The potential earnings from monetizing your YouTube channel depend on various factors. Ad revenue and CPM rates. Your main source of income is ad revenue. The CPM, cost per mille, rate, which indicates how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views, varies. Niches with higher CPM rates can potentially generate more revenue. Channel size and engagement. Larger channels with a substantial viewer base and high engagement levels generally earn more. Building a loyal audience and increasing your subscriber count can positively impact your earnings. Diversify revenue streams. Explore additional revenue streams, such as sponsorships, merchandise, or channel memberships. Diversifying can provide more stable income beyond ad revenue alone. How can I increase my chances of successful monetization? To increase your chances of successful monetization on YouTube, consider the following strategies. Consistent quality content. Regularly upload high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key in building a dedicated viewer base. Optimize video metadata. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos get discovered by a wider audience, potentially increasing views and ad revenue. Promote your channel. Actively promote your videos on social media and other platforms to attract more viewers. The more visibility your channel gains, the higher the potential for increased watch time.